Everyone, this is Brian from IAL2 and a pretty exciting demo today regarding the new work we're doing in integrating one of CMS's approved identity providers into our workflows so we get that higher level assurance of that IAL2 and AAL2 level. And what's nice about that is it aligns with the new way CMS health tech ecosystem is proposing that patients get their records. So instead of logging into all these different portals, you just proof your identity once with one of these CSPs, and then you get that verified credential and pull your records from the CMS aligned networks. So the beginning of this is all scaffolded and working. The part where it's actually querying the networks and pulling back is just hard coded. But this gives you an idea of what this process may look like. So I'm going to show you that now. I am at IAL2.com. This is actually local, so I'm actually not at IAL2.com. But what you could do, I'm going to sign in as a new patient. I'm going to create a new record. So I am signing in with one of my emails. It's very simple to sign in using a Google account. So this one is just creating my user. This is a caregiver app, so I'm going to be caring for someone else in this case. I use some fake patient. This is all fake data. I'm going to say this person is my dad, so I am the child. This is going to create the patient for me, and so here's the patient. Here's basic information about them. There's not much. Here's their health information. There's nothing here. And then here is the get records. So the ways that we've already implemented are your classic Smart on Fire workflows where you connect to a patient portal. So like if you want to connect to Epic, you can come over here to log in, or if you want to connect to Athena because your records are in Athena, you can do that. Or if you want to get your Medicare claims or your explanation of benefits, you can do that over here. The new way we're doing is this one over here on the bottom right called the CMS aligned networks. And so I've actually already done the process of onboarding, but what you do is if this is your first time, it will go ahead and you have to create your account. They will verify your identity with various things like a government issued ID, different passcodes and things like that. But I already did that, so they already know who I am, and I registered a password using a passkey, which is very nice. And you can see me using it right now. This is the passkey that I need to enter, and it's just a biometric fingerprint. And once you're logged in, it will go ahead and fetch all that data for you from the CMS aligned networks. No more patient portals. They'll actually grab it from all the different groups and bring it back for you. And now you can see I have data populated in my health summary. Very, very nice. Now, to be very transparent, this part is fake. The part I have not wired up yet is this fetching part, but it should be fairly straightforward to wire that up later, but I'm excited to demo what this looks like. And now the other parts make sense. If you've been following along, you would know that you can go to share, and now you can simply share all of that data that you just saw, or if you want to share certain pieces of it by creating the share link. So that's the demo. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm pretty excited to proceed, and see you in the next one.